Please help me, anyone. Um, I'm being tortured by my neighbors. Uh, Something that they have done to me, implanted something in my body, and now they're torturing me. I don't know these people, but I haven't noticed who's doing this, and they're in this the apartment complex that I'm living in. They're torturing me to death with electronic electricity, with
Just
some
imagine this
type of
being
current
implanted
electricity,
inside your
and
stomach.
they're torturing me by looking in my
And
apartment.
now
Somehow they're able to
they're
have
monitoring
cameras.
you every day,
They're
threatening
harassing
your
me.
life,
They
torturing
won't.
you.
They won't let
Imagine
me do
this
anything
thing
on my phone or
that was
get this
implanted in your
information out. So
stomach.
I'm trying to reach out the best
Could
way I
that be
know
a
how.
crime?
I'm hoping that someone will catch this. I need the FBI, the police, the authority to. They don't believe me, to see what's going on, to know what's going on. I have a YouTube, Kia Key. It's one word, Keeakee, one word,
This
Kia
was
Key,
done
and
deliberately,
TIT period
not
I,
by
which
accident,
represents
not by
targeted individual.
uh, an,
I have
it's
all
supposed
the
to
videos
an operation.
that
I was put up
shows
under
that
sedation
they've done a lot to me
for
inside
one
my
thing,
body through the
but they
medical
were doing
field,
something different
and this
while I was
is
asleep.
some kind of smear
And
campaign that's
this is
involved
what they were
with
doing.
keeping this a secret
I
and
don't
using me
know
as a guinea pig.
which hospital, because I had more
Please
than one
help me,
surgery.
anyone.
Imagine this being the
I'm
eye,
being
that little
tortured by
white
my
part right
neighbors.
there.
Um, Something that they have
Just even
done to
imagine
me,
that being an
implanted something in my
eyebrows,
body,
or
and now
this being
they're
a mouth,
torturing me. I don't
or
know
this
these
being
people,
the
but I
arm,
haven't noticed who's
or this
doing
look
this,
like
and they're in this
ears or
apartment
something.
complex that I'm living in. They're
But
torturing me to
imagine
death
this being
with
a face
electronic
of some type
electricity,
of
with some type of current
alien
electricity,
creature.
and they're torturing
Imagine
me
that.
by looking in my
That was
apartment.
implanted
Somehow they're
inside your
able to
stomach
have
without your
cameras.
consent.
They're
Wouldn't
harassing
that be a
me.
crime?
They won't. They
You see where
won't
it says
let me do anything
MRI
on my phone
pelvics right
or
there?
get this information out. So
So
I'm trying
this
to
is an
reach out the best
image
way I know how, and
inside
hoping that someone
of
will
a
catch this.
body.
I need the
Look
FBI,
like a
the police,
face.
the authority to. They don't believe me,
An animal.
to see what's going on, to know
A
what's going on.
beast.
I have a YouTube,
What you think?
Kia Key, one
Imagine it.
word,
And it's
Keeakee,
connected to
Keeakee,
wires and
one
gadgets
word,
and
Kia Key,
devices
and
and things like that.
TI,
There's
T
definitely some foreign
period I,
objects
which represents
there.
targeted individual.
And
I
it's
have
tied
all the
up
videos
like something is
that
tied up.
shows that they've done a lot to me inside my body through the